Introduction of private members' bills. Ms. Murray, seconded by Mr. Easter, moves for leave to introduce a bill entitled An Act to Amend the National Defence Act, Transparency and Accountability, to enact the Intelligence and Security Committee of Parliament Act, and to make consequential amendments to other acts. This motion is deemed adopted. The Honourable Member for Vancouver Quadra.
Speaker, I rise today to introduce my bill, the CSEC Accountability and Transparency Act. The Liberal Party of Canada has a long history establishing Canada's framework for national security. A Liberal government established Canada's first peaceful signals intelligence function by order in Council in 1946 and established the Communications Security Establishment of Canada, or CSEC, in 2001 following the 9/11 terrorist attacks in the United States. However, the laws governing CSEC have not been updated since and do not reflect the rapid advances in Internet and communications technology since 2001. This bill aims to correct that. It will establish clear rules for judge authorizations and for the reporting, oversight, and review of CSEC operations. It will strengthen protection of Canadians' personal communications, including their metadata, by updating CSEC's legal statute and by providing intelligence and security oversight by a committee of parliamentarians consistent with most Western democracies. This bill will help improve transparency, an important Liberal value, and will restore public trust in this important establishment, which is so vital to protecting the security of Canadians. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Outstanding.
Ms. Murray, seconded by Mr. Easter, moves that the bill be now read a first time and be printed. This motion is deemed adopted.
First reading of this bill, première lecture de ce projet de loi.
And when shall the bill be read a second time? The next sitting of the House.